Now I'll teach you how to replace the tablet. The first step in replacing any component in the FlashPark Smart Station is to turn off the kiosk. The next step in replacing your tablet is to disconnect the cables on either side of the tablet. The power cable on the left side of the tablet can just be pulled out, and on the right side of the tablet you'll have a small white audio cable which you can simply pull out, as well as the USB cable. Remove it as well. Now that all the cables have been unplugged from the tablet, you want to use a pair of snips to cut the zip ties holding the cables to the tablet enclosure. Now that the tablet enclosure has been freed from zip ties and the cables plugged into it, we can use a 3/8 inch socket to loosen the 6 nuts that are holding the tablet onto the kiosk. Once you've removed the 6 nuts holding the tablet firmly against the kiosk, pull the tablet and the attached bracket towards you to pull it free from the kiosk. Now that you have the tablet out, using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that are holding the tablet to the mounting bracket. So once you have your new replacement tablet from your FlashCare maintenance kit, we need to reattach it to the metal mounting bracket. We do so by using the 3 small Phillips head screws that held the original tablet into the bracket. Now that we've re-secured your new replacement tablet to the metal mounting bracket, it's time to slip the tablet back into the kiosk. Do so by gently sliding it over the mounted bolts. And once you have the kiosk where it needs to be, reapply the 6 3/8 inch nuts to each of the bolts. Once you've firmly secured your tablet back in place with the 6 3/8 inch nuts, we can reattach the 3 cables on each side of it. The power cable on the left side, it's a small circular hole you're looking for. USB cable on the right side, and again you might have to feel for it for its exact location as it's difficult to see with the tablet installed. And lastly, your white audio cable. And again, it's a small circular hole that's located just below the USB input. Once you've secured the tablet back in place and reconnected your 3 wires on each side of the machine, you can zip tie your cables to clean them up, power the machine back on, and close the door.